Hi, I'm Austin Barboza, the Support Center Coordinator at Vertical 6. If you are planning an event of any kind, a personalized Snapchat filter or lens can be an exciting addition. With prices as low as $5 for a 4-day event, these filters are an affordable and unique touch for both personal and business purposes. Although it may seem complicated, the steps to create one are actually rather simple. To begin, go to create.snapchat.com and decide whether you would like to design a filter to frame your guest pictures or a lens that allows your guests to interact with these augmented reality face and voice changers. Once you choose to move on to a design phase, you can either personalize an existing template or upload your own complete design. After completing your design, simply select the date and time you would like your artwork to be available to your guests. You will then select the location of the event by searching the address. Remember that you can adjust the virtual fence of the location if the automatically generated one is not the right size. Please keep in mind that if you are using this for business purposes, you will need to follow Snapchat's submission guidelines. You'll be required to include your business name in both the filter or lens design, and Snapchat will display a sponsored by message when the guest uses your filter or lens. We hope you found this video helpful and that everyone is able to enjoy this fun feature at your next event.